Nice, honey. Good job. Pull all the way back. Nice. Are those the quail?
Yeah.
Cute.
That bobcat must be on the other side because something just upset him out of nowhere.
Come on, Tyler. Okay, pull all the way back.
Pull all the way back.
Good job.
I got it.
You did. As long as you get the bell, that's a good job.
I want to go get how.
You want to try to get in the white dot? Try it. Nice.
And that's my arrow.
Yes, that was your arrow. You hit the paper that time.
Dad, I got it. I said how.
Pal, okay, hit the white dot. Oh, that's a nice group, honey. Knock your arrow. There you go. One more. Pay attention. Pay attention. Oh, you weren't really paying attention, were you?
I want to pay attention.
Were you paying attention? You want to go get your arrows? Go get them.
I said how.
Here, I'll get him for you.
Put them in your quiver.
Don't touch those ones. Those are mine.
It's not mine.
Can you show me your arrows? Can I see them?
No.
Tyler. Uh-oh.
Green apple. Green apple.
Okay, let's move to the next tag.
All right.